8 low-calorie air fryer recipes that put fat loss on easy mode because delicious food. Plus fat loss, the real happily ever after. Hey, what's up? My name is Zach, it's 2025, and I gotta confess, I'm deeply in love. Not with a person, although, shout out to the real ones in my life, but with my air fryer. We've been together for years now, committed, thriving, and cooking up magic daily. And honestly, it might just be my best relationship. Why? Because it feeds me, saves me time, and makes fat loss stupid easy. And if that's not love, I don't know what is. So if you've ever thought losing fat meant boring meals, bland chicken, and waving goodbye to your favorite foods, I'm about to flip that belief upside down. In this guide, I'm handing over 8 ridiculously good air fryer recipes that are low in calories, high in protein, and full of flavor. These recipes are basically dieting on easy mode. Let's get into it, starting strong with the ultimate comfort meal. Chicken tenders and fries. The high-volume classic, 518 cal, 71 g protein. Who said comfort food can't be fat loss friendly? This is a massive plate of crispy fries and juicy chicken tenders, all for just 518 calories and a whopping 71 g of protein. What you'll need: potatoes, slice into fries. I use a slicer from Amazon. Chicken tenders or chicken breast, seasoned with blackened spice non-stick spray, sea salt, garlic powder optional, low-cal dipping sauce, pro-fryer tips. Skip all that parboil soak-dry nonsense. Just slice raw potatoes, air fry them straight up. Trust me, they'll still crisp up beautifully. Save oil for after the fries are cooked. They absorb less and taste better. Cook the chicken in a skillet with a splash of broth and a lid for max tenderness, especially if your air fryer is busy with the fries. Want to make everything in one appliance? Do the tenders in the air fryer at 400-degree Kiev for 9 minutes. Buffalo chicken chalupas, flavor bombs, 247 cal per chalupa, 35 g protein. These are insanely good. Like, eat 3 and still be under your calorie target, good. Ingredients: chicken breast, Greek yogurt, plus cottage cheese, plus hot sauce, buffalo sauce blend, Jose Ole-style wraps, 60 cal each, cheese, lettuce, tomato pro chalupa. Hacks: don't sleep on blending Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Texture: choc creamy. Flavor: shakr unreal. You won't even taste the cottage cheese. Use low-cal wraps, 60-80 cal max. It makes or breaks the calorie count. To keep the chalupas sealed in the air fryer, weigh them down with a ramekin or another pan. Spicy chicken nuggets. Meal Prep King, 32 cal per nugget, 6 g protein. Tired of sad nuggets with no crunch and all regret? These are your fix. Ingredients: ground chicken breast. Check label, look for 2-3 g fat, 23-25 g protein per 100 grams. Yellow mustard, moisture. Plus binding, no taste. Breading, low-calorie bread, or go wild with cornflakes panko. Seasoning: paprika, chili powder, cayenne pro prep advice. Use the wet hand, dry hand coating method to avoid becoming a nugget yourself. Let the nuggets rest a bit before cooking so the coating sets. Shake off excess coating. Burned bread, bad vibes. Pizza rolls, childhood rebooted, 55 cal each. Pizza rolls used to destroy the roof of your mouth. These ones heal your taste buds and your macros. You'll need low-cal lavash or flatbread pepperoni, part skim mozzarella, oregano, basil garlic powder, cooking spray, rolling tips. Let the filling cool before wrapping, hot filling. Soggy wraps, fold tight, and weigh down in air fryer so they stay sealed. Swap fillings to keep things fresh. BBQ chicken, cheeseburger style, breakfast, scramble, etc. So, hot pockets, grown-up lunchable, 303 cal, 35 g protein, because you deserve. More than frozen cardboard. Fill it with turkey breast slices, roasted red pepper, pickled onions, mashed avocado, cheese of choice, egg whites, for the crust seal plus golden finish. Hot Pocket tips. Don't be stingy with the egg whites. They're your glue and crisp agent. If your bread tears a little, don't panic. It'll still taste fire. Use a hybrid bread like nature's own butter bread. Soft, seals well, and 70-cal slice. Crispy apple turnovers, sweet and guilt-free, 86-cal each. Dessert that fits your macros? Say less. How to make. Use no sugar-added apple pie filling, found at Walmart, H-E-B, Kroger. Chop into smaller bits, mix with cinnamon. Use low-carb tortilla halves, folded into cones. Seal with glue, a paste of flour plus water. Sweet finishing touch. Air fry till golden, then top with cinnamon sugar or protein icing. Customize with other fruits like blueberry, cherry, or peach. 7. Cheesy garlic breadsticks. 12 for under 400 cals. 397 cal, 36 g protein. Better than any pizza place, and way cheaper. You'll need self-rising flour, fat-free Greek yogurt. Yes, that's your dough. Mozzarella, Parmesan, garlic powder, oregano, basil game-changing advice. Wet dough saves time, dishes, and mental energy. No rising needed. Always use parchment paper, not wax or foil, to avoid sticking flip mid-cook for that perfect golden crust on both sides. Personal pan pizza, 400 calories of perfection, 400 cal, 35 g protein. Sometimes you just need pizza. Like now, assemble like this. Use the same dough as the breadsticks, shape into a small crust, air fry, then add toppings and finish with a final crisp. Crust tips. Pre-cook the crust before toppings. No soggy base. Use a light mist of spray oil plus garlic powder for a flavor bomb. Bonus, get all 65+ pro tips for free. I condensed everything I've learned into a free guide. 66 game-changing air fryer fat loss tips across all 8 recipes. Every hack, every shortcut, every way to keep your meals macro-friendly and mouth-watering. Link in bio or description. Grab it free. Let's build the air fryer. Army, I want the comments on this to be a goldmine of ideas. So let me know. Which recipe are